Hi, my name is Katrina Alexander, and this is week 8, interactive advanced presentation, concept presentation, instant ice. So today for our procedure, what we need for our experiment, we need multiple bottles of super cold water, or preferably purified water. It says 100% natural spring water. I hope this works due to our purity. So what in the video it asks us to put our water bottles into the freezer from 2 hours, 45 minutes to over 3 hours, depending on your freezer settings and other variables such as the purity of the water. In this process, our goal was to super cool the bottles of our water and perform the 3 experiments to determine how the water instantaneously freezes. So in the first step of the video, the experimenter tapped the bottle or shook the bottle, and a flash freeze occurred. So I've attempted multiple times to check our waters to see if they were close to being flash frozen. They are super cooled. They've been in the freezer for 2-3 hours, and we took them out to check them, and then I put them back in, and so multiple attempts. I'm hoping that this works. All right, here we go. For the first one, I'm going to hold it and then hit it. Let's try it again. Also try tapping it, jolting it to see if anything, the initial crystallization will occur, forming ice. This did not work, so I will go ahead and attempt the second part. In the second part, he takes a clean glass, and he pours, I'm going to use a different bottle. He pours the water, the super cold water, into the glass and dips a piece of ice into the glass, therefore super cooling or creating instant ice. I'll get a little bit closer. In this experiment, in my experiment, this did not occur, as that I can already see there were ice crystals that had formed in my bottle during the freezing process. Even though I had attempted several times to make sure that this didn't happen with several ice water bottles. Okay, so I will attempt to pour the water over a martini glass full of ice to see if this will freeze over, such as in the experiment. Gonna open a third bottle. This is the one I jolted. Okay. So this one doesn't feel like it has a lot of water, ice crystals in it. And it did not. It just gave me a nice glass of ice water. Okay. So in all 3 trials, my experiment did not work, possibly due to the temperature setting on my freezer, particles. Since it was spring water, maybe there were particles within the water, organic matter, things that caused it to form crystals and seed within the bottle itself, which is a process called nucleation. Or it was possible that I did not take the bottles out at an appropriate time, and that it allowed it to go into a phase change from a liquid into solid, a formation of ice. Okay, thank you for your time. All right.